Hi everybody and welcome to this hangout with Elene Marsden, that's me. It's Thursday, it's the 27th of February, 4 p.m. here, Greenwich Mean Time, and welcome to all those people who are listening in and joining us today. As you know, I'm planning hangouts every Thursday, and I've got some fabulous speakers lined up for the next few weeks, including Sarah Greenfield from Bright Yellow Marketing, who's going to be sharing some tips, particularly relevant about LinkedIn. So come along next week for sure. So today I wanted to say to you about how easy it is to create Facebook apps, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in probably less than 5 minutes. So without further ado, I'm going to stop sharing my screen with you, and you'll be able to see right inside Facebook and see the process for yourself. Okay, so if you just hold on 1 minute, and I'll just come straight into sharing my screen with you. So first of all, let's take a look at my Facebook page. So what you can see here is you can see my regular Facebook business page and the cover profile, and this is where all the Facebook apps are showing. And you can have lots of them, but obviously it's only the first 2 that are visible on the top. You've always got photographs that you get, and actually I say that, you've always got photographs, but the other 3 are apps that you can add and create. And if I click the little drop down arrow there, you can see I've got a whole lot more besides those 3 that are visible along the top. So the application builder that I use to create these apps is called 22Social. So let's just show you the kinds of things that's possible using these apps or pages. Some people call them tabs. Take a look at this one. This one here is a page that actually has a YouTube video from my YouTube channel. It's got some text. It's got a link to my website. So if you're promoting something special, then you can create an app for just that. Let's pop back to the main page, my Facebook page, and the next app I'm going to show you is the Hangout app. It's the same product, it's the same 22Social app, but what this will enable me to do, it will enable me to share with everybody my live hangouts. So the live hangout is going out through this Facebook page. Again, you've got text. I've got a button there, which if any of you have clicked that button, you'll know it'll take you to a sign-up form. So I'll add you to my database and then let you know when the next app is going to, when the next, hangout is going to be. So that's good. Another kind of app that you can build is an app that actually, let's just take a look. Let's look at this one. This is another promotional video where I've got another YouTube video which you can play and watch inside Facebook. And obviously, if you were interested today and you liked this particular application, you could click that link there and sign up to get this app yourself. But that's giving you an overview of what's possible. What I really want to do today, this afternoon, is show you how easy it is to do it yourself. So if you bear with me, what I'm going to do now is show you exactly how to go about doing it. So the first thing is I'm going to click on all the different pages that I've got, and we'll be able to see all the pages there. You can have up to 10 pages with this company. I'm going to click Add Another Page, and that's going to build me a page. It's going to build me a page on the Better Act Now Facebook page, but obviously if you've got other pages that you manage, you could pick one of those from there. So I'll just click Create an App. That's the first step. And success, there we are. I'm now going to be taken to the app. Take a few seconds to load up. There you can see it's building up there now on the screen, and it's so easy. All you have to do now is to choose your layout, and there's different choices. I tend to go for the capture option. You've got some basic ones here, so I think you've got, I don't know, about 8 different ones that you can choose, but the one I'm going to demonstrate is this one here, the capture. Click OK. So it's going to give me an opportunity to put a video or a picture of a product that I'm selling, and once I've done that, selected that, I'm now going to click on content, and these are the various different parts, if you like, of the page. You've got a header, and in that header I'm going to click the little button here and type in there ACT training, because what I'm going to show you in this short hangout is how to build a page that will sell a product. So I've got some training CDs, and I'm just going to show you how to get them on there with a PayPal button, and immediately you can start a shop. So let's have a look. We'll say ACT fundamentals. Now what I have got actually is I've got some text that I'm going to use so that I don't have to actually type it all. That would be a bit painstaking. I've made a mistake there, so I'm just going to go back and put fundamentals and preview. So that's the heading taken care of. The next thing, text and media. So if I click that option, I can choose what kind of media I want. And you've seen on some of my apps that I've actually got videos, but this time I want to upload a picture. So you have to put the pictures in your Facebook album. So I've already put a picture up there, and I've put a picture in my ACT Facebook album. So that will pull that across, and I can put some content in here. And as I said to you, I don't really want to be typing in lots and lots of content. So what I'm going to do is whiz over to Amazon. So this is the product that I currently sell on Amazon. So I'm going to come down and just grab the product description. I'm just going to scroll down and copy it to the clipboard, pop back over into Facebook, and in the 22Social app, I'm just going to highlight that text, get rid of that, and paste in the text that I do want. And you can put something in the footer as well if you wish. So I'll click preview, and you should see there's the picture that I just pulled out from my Facebook album, and there's the text. I can see that I haven't removed that yet, so let me just go back in, text and media. I'm just going to edit that. This page has not been customized. Well, yes, it has. I'm just going to delete that and just come over to my Word document, and I've got a half price offer for my Facebook fans. So grab that, drop that in there. So instead of paying £47, then they're going to get this training CD for £23. So let's just preview it, take a look at it. So it's all looking good. There's the product, there's the offer, there's the text, but all I need to do now is to change this button into a PayPal button, and that's pretty easy. So if you've got a PayPal account, you can go to your merchant services and create a button and put the price of the product in there, description of the product, and you get code that you can put onto the website. But there's an even easier method. If I click this email tab, I've got a email URL, if you like, with the link to being able to purchase the product. So I'm just going to copy that, and that's what I'll use to go behind the button. So let's go back over there and come up to the top, and I'm going to click the buttons option now. So there's the button. It's going to be a URL, and I'm just going to first of all paste in the URL that I've just copied from PayPal. But I will just go back over into Word because the text I want is buy now for only £23. And just paste that in there like that. Easy as that. Now, the CRM is very interesting. If anyone clicks that button, they will automatically go into my Facebook CRM, and I'll be able to collect all their details like name, city, and a few other bits and pieces. So that's quite useful. You can take that off if you want. But let's preview it. I think we're nearly there with this. There we are, buy now for only £23. Now, the thing to remember once you've built it is to hit the save button. The number of times when I've done this and I've forgotten to hit save and I've had to rebuild it again, well, it's not going to take a long time, but it is a little bit of a hassle to do it again. Now, the other brilliant thing about 22Social is that what you can do, you can hide this app behind a like gate. And if you're watching this on Facebook, you will have had to like my page in order to watch it. And to set that up, what you do, just press the button here to show the like gate and enable it, and then save it. And so that if anybody wants to buy my training CD, they have to like the page first to get access to the special offer. So that's how you do it. Now, what I want to do is to demonstrate how this works now in practice. So let's pop back over to the Better App Now site. And one of these apps down here is going to be showing, let's have a look, which one is it? Did I give it a name? Was it this Learn? Oh, that's the one, yeah, Learn More. Let's just click that, and hopefully that's going to take me to the page. Yes, it is. It is. Great. App training. There it all is. And if I click that button, fingers crossed, that should take me to a PayPal page where people could put in their credit cards or just buy it through PayPal. So that's loading up. It's coming up, and there it is. Easy as that. Absolutely straightforward. So let's just go back, because I want to show you another step, something that you would want to do. So if I pop back over to the regular page, not one of the apps, and what I think I'm going to do now is move that app up so it's in the top 3. Okay, so I'm just going to use the drop down arrow here. It's this half price one, and I'll show you how to add a picture and change those words too, because Learn More is not appropriate. So I'll use this little drop down, use a little pen here, and it means I can move it around. So I'd like to change it so that it's in the position of the maps. So move it up a bit, and then I'll maybe change it. Let's move things around. You've got to do a little bit of jiggling around with this. So change it now with the map, and there you can see it's right at the very top. So it's going to be visible. So anyone landing on my Facebook page will see that app there, think, oh, what's that half price thing? Click on it, and they'll get the offer once they've liked the page. So by all means, you can click the little pencil again, and you can click to edit settings, and you can change the image. So you can click there and change the image and go and browse for an image. You've got to be a bit careful with these images because they're 111 pixels wide and 74 deep. So you will have to size the picture so that it's the right size for that little square. And then I'm going to put a new name in there. I'm going to call it Half Price, and save, and click OK. And let's just collapse this. So there you can see my Facebook page has now got a shopping page. You can put whatever it is you're selling, links to whatever it is you're selling, and have them all there. And you can link to PayPal. You can put all your videos on there, and it's such a great tool. You can sign up and have a free account. If you go for the full-blown package like I've got, it's just $22 a month. I think that's really well worthwhile. And the brilliant thing is that all of these apps are viewable on a mobile device as well. So there's so many reasons why I like it, and I hope you've seen today how easy it is too. Now I'm just going to come back to see you. Stop sharing my screen now, and we're back in. So thank you everybody. I hope you enjoyed that. I will take any questions that you might have. Do leave me a question either on Facebook or go onto my YouTube channel, put a little comment, or even on Google+. It would be brilliant to connect with you. I will reply back to any questions I have. And if you've enjoyed this Hangout, if you've learned something from it, please tell your friends. Please do all the social sharing for me if you can. Google +1 my page, give me a thumbs up, add a comment. I'd really appreciate that. And thank you ever so much for your time. And don't forget to tune in next week, because the lovely Sarah Greenfield will be sharing 4 key things you need to be doing to be successful on social media. So thanks very much everyone again. Till next time. Bye for now.